G'day and welcome to Ear Deals. Today I'll be unboxing, reviewing the Phonak PartnerMic. The Phonak PartnerMic links with all of the Marvel range offered by Phonak, which includes the Audeo range, which are the receiver in the canal devices, the Virto range, which are the custom-made devices, and the Bolero range, which is the behind-the-ear devices. So if you want to know how you can improve hearing in one-on-one situations in challenging environments, please stick around because we've got plenty to talk about. Now here we have the unboxing of the Phonak PartnerMic, which will link to all of Phonak's Marvel devices. It comes in a nice little sleeve here that we slide off, which reveals the box itself, and we just take the lid off the box. And you can see there the Phonak PartnerMic is just sitting beautifully in the box, well presented there. If we take the device out, I'll show you some of the key features of this device. On the side here you've got the on and off switch, and you've also got the pairing button. Now it's important to note with the pairing button, the pairing of this device to your hearing aids will actually be done by your Ear Deals audiologist at the time, and then you simply just leave it. You don't need to touch that pairing button again. To turn the device on and off is simply a little switch like that, gives you a green light. And you'll notice that inside there it's a little green throat, and that tells you that you've turned that device on. And that's like most of Phonak's devices. It's a nice little touch which is sort of a visual cue for you. If we turn the device over, you'll see a nice little clip. Right, now that can go on your shirt, on your lapel, on your pocket of the person who's wearing the device. And that's one really key point to note here, is that this is for the person that you're with. So if, for instance, you're out at dinner and the table's quite long and that person's on the other side of the table is having a meal with you, and there's a little bit of background noise that's making it difficult to hear, basically what you would do is turn this device on here, clip it to the person who's having dinner with you onto their pocket or their lapel. Now Phonak says that it should be somewhere around about 20 centimeters from the person who's talking, or the person the hearing aid wearer wants to hear, 20 centimeters from their mouth. Depending upon the environment, you might find that you're getting a better result closer to the mouth or further away. So it's important for the person who's the partner, who's wearing this PartnerMic, to have a discussion with the hearing aid wearer to ensure that the distance that the mic is from the person's mouth is adequate and that they're hearing and they're actually getting an improvement in that environment. So there it is, the Phonak PartnerMic, and what we'll do now is talk about the other components of the device. Okay, so what we have here is the final box in the packaging, which contains these items, which I'll take you through now. The first thing we've got is the PartnerMic, and I'm going to start with the charging port here. So in the base of the charging mic here, you'll see the USB-C port. Now this is a standard port size that's now available on lots of computers and things like that, even mobile phones. The USB-C plug simply just goes into the base of that, there. And then the larger USB, that actually just goes into a standard wall plug that we've got here. And that goes into the wall just like that. I'll just take those ones off now and I'll show you the lanyard. Now this is actually quite cleverly engineered. It's designed so this bit goes around the neck of the person, so it's a loop. You can see that like that. It's quite close up. But what we've got here is a little bridge in the middle of the loop at the very base, and this is the bit that would hang down towards your belt. Now on the back of it is a clip, and you simply just clip that onto the bridge, and that will secure the PartnerMic in there nice and sturdy, so that then that's hanging around the person who's speaking's neck. And you can actually adjust the distance by pulling out these little toggles here at the end and roll that up the lanyard as you can see there. And that gives you the ability to adjust the volume settings of the device and whether or not it's actually picking up the person's voice who you're talking to. Now, Phonak says here it's around about 20 centimeters from the person's mouth, but you may need to adjust it, and this lanyard gives you the ability to do that. The final little bit is a little carry case here that you can keep your partner mic nice and safe when it's in storage. So there you have it. That's the Phonak PartnerMic Unboxed. Here we have a typical situation of a hearing aid wearer in the purple shirt walking down a street with a companion with the partner mic clipped onto their shirt. The partner mic is approximately 20 centimeters from the companion's mouth, meaning that the voice of the companion will be picked up through the partner mic and transmitted to the hearing aid wearer. The partner mic will work at a distance of up to 25 meters, however it will start to drop out, or audio transmission will become infrequent anywhere around sort of 20 to 25 meters. The closer you are to the person with the hearing aid also allows the companion with the partner mic on them to turn around and face in different directions and still transmit their voice to the person with hearing aids. So say for instance you're at a dinner and you turn to the waiter and you make an order and you're not directly facing the person with the hearing aids, and they can't naturally hear you with their hearing aids because of the way that you're facing your body and it's very difficult to hear. A partner mic will actually overcome this situation. So it's great with one-on-one communication in noise. At Ear Deals, all our hearing aid prices are available online in full transparency, alongside our free hearing aid service package. To see our prices online, please visit www.eardeals.com.au. Our standard of testing includes real ear measurement, or REMs. Ear Deals conducts a full diagnostic free hearing test, so you know that the quality of our testing matches the quality of our big brand hearing aids. Finally, Ear Deals has the National Safety and Quality Health Service Standard. We are one of only a few hearing clinics who have this high level of accreditation in Australia.